Good morning, friends. Welcome to Trade with Edge, pre-market report with Profit Edge. So yesterday was a panic day in Indian markets. We were falling like pack of cards. So आज global markets are flat. We don't see major cut except Hang Seng, which is down by 0.5%. Taiwan is down by 0.5%. Otherwise, everything is flat and there is no view from global markets. But we have our internal problem. जो फॉल है इंडियन मार्केट में दैट इज अट्रिब्यूटेड टू मेनी फैक्टर्स लाइक लोकल फैक्टर्स लाइक रिजल्ट्स आर नॉट दैट ग्रेट देयर आर 66% PSE 200 NSE 200 stocks are getting a earning downgrades. US dollar is rising, which is again weak for us. Our inflation was up. Now RBI has to do something at the earliest. So let's start with event and then we'll go to क्या लग रहा है आज market. So after panic selling yesterday was bank Nifty expiry, and as we discussed yesterday morning that there are many put sellers who are trapped, and I was expecting some 500-600 point fall in bank Nifty, and we got almost more than 1000 points fall. So we are now at 200 DMA, Nifty 200 DMA पे आ गया है. क्या ये लेवल सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड कर सकता है या नहीं? नैल्को ने प्रॉफिट डिक्लेयर किए अपने. प्रॉफिट वाज अप बाय 400%, रेवेन्यू वाज अप बाय 32%. these are superb numbers, but in this week's market can this stock perform or no, या गैप अप करके then again fizzle out हो जाएगा? That we have to see. Torrent Power profit is down by 8.5%, revenue up 3%, and margins are down by 80 basis points. Sun TV profit down 11%, revenues down 11%. This is also not a great number. Apollo Tyre profits were down by 37%. And yesterday I have discussed that Apollo Tyre chart where we were seeing a breakdown. Can this continue the fall? Deepak Nitrate profits were down by 5% and revenues were up by 14%. Vodafone Idea net loss widens to 7176 crore. Revenues were up by 4%. Now, in next move, in FNO segment, exchange have introduced 45 new stocks in FNO segment, which includes stocks like Geo Finance, Hoodco, BSE, NSE, Zomato, Paytm, NHPC, Yes Bank. So, all you can say that the new stocks, new IPO stocks, plus many mid caps are introduced to FNO segment. These would be active from December monthly expiry. Obviously, this everything is being done to protect retail investors. NTPC Green IPO is starting from 19th November. Price band is 102 to 108, and it's going to raise 10,000 crore. So can this, see some recovery in NTPC? Eicher Motor net profits up by 8%, revenues up by 4%, margins are down by 100 basis points. But against expectation, margins were way lower. Margins are at 25.5%, where CNBC estimate was 29%. Godrej Industries profit jumps threefold. Revenues were up by 22%. Godrej Industry post good numbers. Cipla US FDA inspection came out with a 8 observation for Bangalore facility, but analysts say that this is not very critical, so they don't see much impact on the stock. Now we are coming towards the end of the result season, and final few results which are seen today are HAL, Grasim, Hero Motocorp is expecting result today. Like we have seen, auto numbers were not that great this quarter. Muthoot Finance, Bharat Forge is reporting numbers, Glenmark Pharma, Lab, Bharat Dynamics, ITI, and Crompton Greaves. So these are some important numbers which are being declared today. So yesterday Apollo Tyre declared result. And in morning yesterday we discussed about this breakdown in Apollo Tyre. So before result we are getting a breakdown, and we have seen 3 to 4% cut yesterday only. So if we have taken sell position yesterday, we are already in profit. Now we have to see after weak numbers how this stock reacts. Second stock is Granules. Granules is also at breakdown level. If we see the structure of Granules, there was a huge fall and there some recovery, and again we are falling now. So there are few patterns I'm observing here. Can we say this is a bearish flag? So if this breakdown today, there's some more downside could be possible in this stock. Vedanta, I'm seeing a trend line breakdown, or we can also say that this could be a triangle breakdown, and 405 level is possible on this stock. Yesterday, based on OI data, we predicted the fall in Bank Nifty. Today we have a Nifty expiry, and again data is similar, but chart structure is not similar. So I'll just come to that. Heavy call writing, put unwinding from a trap put seller. I'm seeing some writing at 23,300 level. Okay, so next support is coming in the range of 23,300 to 23,500, and upside we have heavy resistance. If you see Nifty open interest, 23,300 level and 23,500 level having a decent OI, which can provide some support. So 23,500 level पे support मिलना चाहिए. If that level is broken, then we might head towards 23,300 level. Now, like Bank Nifty, there are many trap put writers in Nifty also. So obviously data is bearish. OI data bearish ही दिखा रहा है. But there are some technical aspect which I like to discuss. That what is difference between yesterday's data and today's thing. Obviously data is showing bearish, but we are at some major support levels. Now this is what my analysis was yesterday. Below 23,484, 842, we might see some down move, and a strong level was only about 24,000. The market never went above. It broke this level. It achieved its first target, and in final hour it also achieved its second target, which was 23,522, and Nifty ended at 23,540. So almost our second target was achieved. Now let's analyze indices. So again today our view is similar. Below 23 now, as data is indicating bearish view. So obviously and we are in free fall, so we'll be planning to have a short trade below 23,540 level. First target could be 23,400, and 23,300 would be the next major level, and upside level is 23,710, above which some short covering take place, and we can plan some long trades. But obviously my more focus would be on short trades. Now there are 2 points which I would like to discuss on Nifty chart. First is, if you look at the Nifty chart, we are into a downward channel which started from here. Okay, so when we tested 24,500 level, there were two resistance levels. One was this flat line and trend line. Okay, from there we started falling, and now we are almost at bottom of the channel. We are two or three levels. One is the bottom of the channel, second is 200 DMA, and third is we are at lower Bollinger on weekly chart. Okay, so there are multiple support levels here, so some recovery if comes from here would also be sharp. So any trade we take, we trade based on levels. If market is showing bearish indication, we are going to short the market, but tighten my stop loss would be in the system. Tighten your stop loss. Okay, in short trade also, because recovery can also be fast. We are at now multiple support levels. So I'm not as bearish as yesterday, but yes, view is bearish only, but I will also be ready for the recoveries. Let's analyze Bank Nifty. So yesterday Bank Nifty broke its major support level, which was holding from 21st August. Okay, from 21st August, this level was tested multiple times. Yesterday Bank Nifty broke this level. Obviously targets are lower. Now we are coming to next important level, which is a recent low on Bank Nifty, which is around 49,700 level. If this level is also broken, there could be more panics. But level for today is 49,902. Below this, I'll be planning my short trades till 49,550. And on upside, my level is 50,559. Now here in Bank Nifty, day before yesterday, we broke this triangle pattern. Okay, we broke it here, and from there we are seeing a panic selling. The height of this triangle was almost giving a target of 49,500. So there is possibility of in panic we might test 49,500 or 49,400 level. But yes, we are at some important levels in both the indices. To be watchful for recovery also. Otherwise, I don't see any stock which is into buying mode or which is at major support level. Now, action would be on stocks which are being introduced into FNO and result stocks. And few breakdowns we have seen yesterday. There were many breakdowns, but few breakdowns which I have shown you is based on yesterday's chart patterns. So guys, thank you. And again on Saturday, we are organizing a webinar on how to read OI data like a pro. How you can find the next breakout or breakdown stock. How you can find the major trend in indices. That's all we are going to cover in this Saturday's webinar. So I gave a description link. Fill that form. We'll give you the invite, and you can join on Saturday. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.